Welcome to telaHosting, how to set up email forwarding using DNS in cPanel. Email forwarding allows you to automatically redirect emails sent to one address to another email inbox. This is especially useful when you want to receive emails on a different service like Gmail without creating a full mailbox. For example, if someone sends a message to support@yourdomain.com, it can automatically be forwarded to you at gmail.com. It is especially useful for business owners who want all team messages in one inbox, freelancers managing multiple domains, and so on. When set up properly, you will never miss important emails again. Everything gets delivered right where you want it. In this video, I'll show you how to set up email forwarding using DNS in cPanel. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your cPanel account. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll to the domain section and click on Zone Editor. Locate the domain you want to manage and click Manage next to it. Now, we'll add the DNS records needed for email forwarding. To enable email forwarding through DNS, you need to configure the MX records properly. If you're using a third-party forwarding service like Improve MX, they'll give you specific MX records to add. Click Add Record and choose MX record and enter the details exactly as provided by your email forwarding service and save record. Some email forwarding services also require a TXT record for verification. Though it's optional, but you can choose to add SPF, DMARC, and the KIM records for an extra level of protection. We already have a video on how to do this, so do well to watch it. Once all required records have been added, your DNS setup is complete, but keep in mind that DNS changes do not apply instantly. Email forwarding may start working within a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take up to 24 hours for full DNS propagation. After propagation, emails sent to your domain will automatically be forwarded to your chosen email address. But if your domain's mail is hosted directly with telaHosting, then you're in for a treat. You can set up email forwarding even faster without DNS changes. What you need to do is to go to your cPanel dashboard, locate the email section, click on forwarders, and when the page opens, click Add Forwarder. Enter the address you want to forward. For example, info@yourdomain.com. After this, enter the destination address and then click Add Forwarder, and that's it. From now on, all emails sent to your domain address will automatically be redirected to your chosen inbox. And that's how to set up email forwarding using DNS in cPanel. Simple, flexible, and efficient. By correctly configuring your MX, SPF, the KIM, and the DMARC records, you ensure that your domain forwards emails reliably and securely without losing credibility or deliverability. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials with telaHosting. See you in the next video.